can you share within FINEOS how we're applying both GenAI, machine learning, these large language models, and why the distinction matters when we apply those within our internal systems?
Yeah, I think for us, it's always starting with the problem space. And for a number of years, we've been working on predictive type models and working with our customers who have their own predictive type models. And that's all about getting well understood, well structured, accurate, up-to-date data that we would master and have mastered for the last 20 years. And our data model is something that people will leverage and will use to ensure that their models are up to date and have all the best quality information and build processes around to ensure that the quality is put in at the front end so that we can build and leverage these things. And then we integrate things like probabilities into our workflows to determine which are the no-touch and which are the low-touch type flows that we're working through, if that's on NBU or through claims. And that's our traditional data science type activities to solve traditional data science problems. And there's loads of value to be got in there. If you can predict settlement, if you can predict duration, if you can triage claims by complexity metrics, you can really impact operations. What generative AI has given us the ability to do is assess a far greater set of data and ask way more interesting questions of it. And the first thing we did was, let's get documents. There's documents running all around our ecosystem, claimant documents, outgoing documents, notes, things like that come in and out of our ecosystem. And up till now, there's some OCR type technologies where we could pull keywords or whatever, but to understand the document, a human had to read it. Now, if we think about generative AI capabilities, you can ask a machine to read it before a human comes into it, pay about 6 cents for a reading of a document, get a summary, go back again and say, hey, read that again, but look for automation type flows. Hey, read that same document again, but look for these types of outcomes like review indicators. What should I be interested in? Is there any mention of mental health type things, alcohol abuse, substance abuse, things that will determine a claim outcome? Similarly, in underwriting, there's things here I need to flag for my underwriter so they're not missed. And up to now, that was one human, one document, reading the thing, writing something down on a note or sticking something into a task, and that task flowing off elsewhere. Now, because we can use AI to do this, we can take a risk-based approach to doing some of those activities to provide better indicators for case managers or automators to make better informed decisions.